first semester, and she is going to be in Mrs. Zimmer's room. There is an Indonesian display by the Mefford family in the 5th and 6th grade hallway. Irish bagpipes by Skip Clevenger in Mrs. McCrary's room. Italian games by WKU students in Miss Sanders' room. Japanese origami by Mrs. Cook in Mrs. Groff's room. Korean games by a teacher who taught with us the first quarter, Miss Sub in Miss Stout's room. Mexican bingo. Let's see, I forgot how to pronounce this. How do you pronounce the Mexican bingo? Loteria? Something like that. In Mr. Willis's room. A Moroccan display by Elizabeth Gibbons in the 3rd and 4th grade hallway. Vietnamese stick dancing by the Vietnamese Student Association in the library. There's delicious food stations in the pod areas. And then I want to make sure that you go outside. We have the Chinese Mini Museum from the Confucius Institute at WKU. Our students got to visit today, but they want their parents to visit tonight. So be sure and go outside to the big red and white bus. So now you are free to experience the wonderful